This is how I feel when I hear people say your network is your net worth.
तो करना।
Well, here are 3 effective ways to network as a founder or a student that have worked for me and you won't find so easily on the internet. Number 1, very unpopular and controversial opinion, work for free. If you work for free, that says a lot about your enthusiasm, whether that be for the company, for that role, or even for your own career. But there is a right way to do it and there is this wrong way to do it. The right way is when you yourself offer and say that, hey, I look up to you and the work that you do and I would love to be a part of this. And the wrong way is when the company itself asks you to say that you can only work for free here, they have no paid option. That is borderline exploitation. Number 2, find out exactly where these people hang out who you want to network with. If you're a founder, you want to hang out more at incubators, accelerators, and other startup events, not just as a participant, but also as a volunteer. And if you're a student, you can volunteer for events outside your college and then find amazing people you want to potentially work with. If the people you want to network hang out on social media, then engage with them on their posts and comments, send them DMs. These things help you build trust very easily, very quickly. And the third one is the rule of give before you ask. Well, yes, every one of us has something to offer. And if you constantly network with the idea of getting something from someone else, they don't like it. And if you offer something to them, which you can be very good at, they would fall in complete love with you. So be on a constant lookout to help others and that will work out beautifully. So ये तो थे 3 तरीके जिससे मैं network कर रहा हूँ. But I would love to learn what has worked for you guys. Let me know in the comments below.